Hello everyone, Alice from HR Tenda. Today I'd like to recommend our AM system with ABS plastic. And now I will show you how to install the antenna. This is our connect cable and this is master board. Now we use the connect cable and plug here. And then this is our slave board. We plug here. This is our power cable. Plug here. And then we plug in and turn on. This is our pencil tag. I will use it for testing. The detect range for this pencil tag can range to 2.2 meters. For this antenna, we have two adjustments, manual adjustment and the computer adjustment. We have many models of EES systems. If you have any requirements of EES system, please contact me. See you next time.